Our next show goes to Keep It Real with Dainelle or Dainelle. Dainelle. I don't know why I saw Dainelle at first. It looked like that. Shout out to you. She said, Sue always have her bush, you know.
Bright, like the lights on a fight night.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Alright, so excuse me here, all of that. Mother breath. I've never done anything to my head or myself since Monday, but I'm going on the road now. Quite excited for that. So before getting this vlog, before getting this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next clip.
If you throw it to the probably, don't video me. If you throw it over this, is a probably make it. Probably, you know? Anyways, guys, so this is the next clip. I didn't get a video or anything on the road because it was so busy and it was kind of very funny for us. We couldn't stop laughing. And all of that. But we'll come back and we're about to go and do some packaging, wrapping. Later. Yeah, do that. But see you next week. Bye. Let's go get me over here. Do your dance. Do your
Hey guys, next clippity clip. So guys, I actually took a shower. I actually came back and put back on my same clothes because a girl ain't washing a lot of things, you know. So I'm kind of just creating the box because I did my try put creative work. I'm not going to show you this. When the girl unwrap it, I'm not going to show me do the box. I'm not going to show you guys now because the person, this is actually Lemko's gift at the moment and I don't want her to watch the video and see it and say, so we'll just continue watching.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
You know, start. No. Anyways, guys, welcome to the next day in the vlog. This girl is trying to do some Christmas thingy for her.
This is solo though.
For her school, and she be tripping because I'm in the room. Hey.
That's why I didn't tell you to do that.
You're going for
All you
starter.
can do is speed it up.
Guys, just a kind update though, guys. Because I can't say. Ooh, hold on. Oh yeah. So as you can see, guys, my hair back is growing thanks to the Divinity Growth Oil. It's growing and it's pretty thick. So the castor in it works, and the peppermint and all the above essential oils that she used. Again, guys, you guys can go ahead and support your girl. Hold on, let me make it focus. Yeah, support. You see, it oil is still in it. It is an oil, so on space. Divinity Grow Oil, Petite-Sue and her sister pan, and it's gonna see the goodness. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's your girl Cornelia, and this is my Greetings Across the World 6 Farm Edition. So, what do I like about Christmas? I love the food. Big top tier about the food. The presents, but most of all, I don't like you. I'm so glad I am not recording. I'm just glad. Like, I'm glad.
No one does a presentation and answer the question. They just talk and them just know.
We have a girl, right, people? You can edit it for me,
Huh?
please.
I'll nobody ever edit link on her myself.
So, I don't didn't even want to give a 5-hour video.
Alright. Make a show off edit.
If we do want to learn with us, then we come teach me.
I want that for going.
Wednesday.
Oh yeah, I can.
And then you will figure out Tuesday. And then Tuesday night, then you see, I don't like you. It's just the ghetto in you. Ugh, the audacity.
Whatever.
Me feel 10 different ways. Weird.
I feel away. So, me there, so finish me here, guys. And me I watch some video on TikTok. Now we just mute it.
Sure. Not that one there, no, she.
And she.
Sure, the other one. Go get looking and say, look what you know. Actually, thing I must go up in her nose.
It's a no, when then I will go so. Oh, their tongue long, so see we know.
This is the original length of my tongue. It got right here, so I'm gonna try that foolishness. So she turn like this, and then she go
I'm telling
I
you.
know that
I'm
myself. My tongue not so long.
See camera here.
Them have
See camera.
No, me look on you now. Them have some form of surgery for elongate your tongue or something like that because
Me not do come feel my tongue look long.
them length of tongue, them man carpet road. Listen to me. Actually, she flick it up in her nose, then she bring it around like a merry-go-round and extend it up. You have a carpet for your tongue. No offense.
God, you never do nothing wrong. Pam pam pam.
No offense, no, but girl, your tongue long.
Yeah, bro. It's long. But anyways, guys, just cut the video right here. I know someone did see the intro. I'm the so going there, so yeah, I got shout out by Petite-Sue. And it's the second time now. The first time the first time I literally spoke with her, and it was really her product, and some misunderstanding, but you know, she's really nice and so forth, and she messed my name up at first and she corrected it, and now she actually saw it without me telling her my name and she got it right. So that, thank you so much. I appreciate my shout out. So guys, I'm here looking and reflecting back, editing my video, literally editing it. I'm realizing my short footage. I'm realizing I make a commitment so I always do some shout out at the end of the video, and I totally forgot. So what I'ma do is I'ma run real quick over to my channel and I'ma get you guys some shout out. You feel me? Because without I would have not been thus far. You get me? So it's always best to remember you guys. So let me go. So the first shout out goes to Just China TV. She's saying, great video, keep growing. Thank you so much. I mean, it takes a lot of work, and I know that you have a channel too, and I see that you have like a courage at the same time, you know, and all that. So just make up yourself and go and do your thing. You get me? And the other person is World with Michaela. She says she's early. Continue to be early, Michaela. Pick up yourself and go and keep it real. And the last person is Alfonso Clarkin. She said keep it up, man. I'ma say I'm gonna keep it up and I'm keeping it real. And the next person is my dear friend Michaela Palmer. She have always been keeping it real, and if I never get her shout out, I just bad breed. So thanks for keeping it real, Michaela. Thanks for keeping it real. And I never get for shout out. Just bear with me. I will get to you guys soon, but until then, just go and make fun of nice clean self. And thank you so much for actually, you know, taking the time out to even view the video and all of that. I really appreciate it so much. I am so appreciative of you guys. Like, to express that extreme gratitude, it never makes sense, because without you guys, I don't think I will continue to do YouTube. Because some person genuinely come out and say, oh, Dainelle, just up the YouTube. I'm like, no, it's just that I get busy, and sometimes it does get demotivating at times, you know. But I just want to say thanks everybody will take the time out. I'm gonna have to come out of my bed, stop editing and do this, because without Una, I'm gonna say my code is continue to keep it real. But anyways, don't big up on yourself. Thanks for keeping it real. And this is your girl. For those who don't know, I want to know. Thanks for keeping it real. Peace.